How to remove the navigation menu on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to remove the navigation menu from your Squarespace website. We're going to head over navigation or the squarespace.com first. Then we're going to sign in into your account and visit up the account dashboard. Once we have did that, we're going to click on go to website for the website that we are going to desire to set it up. We're going to head over the left side of the screen, click on websites, click on pages, and you're going to see that we're going to have the main navigation showing up right there. Now our main goal is to hide this, remove it. Click on edit on the website on any page, and we're going to click on edit site header. From this, it is going to show you that we have a navigation. We can edit that navigation, and also we can go ahead and click on the add elements. So, as you can see, we can see the social link, cart, and account. These are going to be things that are going to be here, but the navigation is not going to be showing. So we can go ahead basically and not remove it from here. So we can go ahead and have the pages set up, but I'm going to let you see how we can remove the navigation. Basically, it is not going to be from here, but we are going to click on exit. We're going to replace the images, or not the images, but basically the main navigation items. We're going to place them into the not linked, like that. So I'm going to put them all in here. You're going to see that we have limited, as you can see, the navigation, and it is going to be empty. So we have removed the navigation menu. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.